While browsing on my YouTube channel, guys, I saw this video. For today's video, guys, let's do a reaction to another Alfirev creations. And I guess it's been a while since I made a reaction video to Alfirev. Let's try and do a reaction video to The Guardian of Nusantara. And in case you missed it, guys, that I already made a lot of Alfirev reaction videos such as the Wonderland Nusantara 2 and the Wonderland Nusantara Wild. So if you miss it, guys, kindly browse my feed or my other videos and you'll see those videos. And let's see what's new or what other twist, another details, and a jaw-dropping moment we'll see in this video. So without further ado, guys, let's do a reaction video. So let's go! So bear with the music, guys, if it is too low to avoid blocking and copyright. You know what I'm saying, guys? So bear with it and let's start this video. And here's The Guardian of Nusantara by Alfirev featuring et al. The iconic angelic voices in every Alfirev's creations. I miss that um intro. Nations of the Garuda. It's a bird. Isang ibon. The Guardian of Nusantara. As far as I remember, correct me if I am wrong, guys, that Nusantara will be the new capital of Indonesia, right? Or yeah, I read that somewhere. Garuda. So I'm speechless right now, guys, because I'm still processing what's going on here in this video. But I love the CGI. It feels like Hollywood type or a Hollywood kind of CGI. I love it. Very realistic. Oh. You know what, guys? Alfirev really a good storyteller, right? Napakahusay. Ooh. He looks like a Hollywood superhero here, guys.